Hello everyone. Today we will explain the coaching function and cruise control function of a CT by a remote control. First, let's talk about the coaching function. Like a CT by a remote control, we are equipped with a Type-C data cable, Type-C port for connecting to remote controls. Two remote controls can be used to activate the coaching function, realize the ability to simultaneously control a remote-controlled vehicle, suitable for teaching and training, parent-child activities. The remote control can be set to student mode and coach mode respectively through the functional interface. The coach mode remote control can directly control 2/1 channel of a student mode remote control. Now let's demonstrate this feature. After connecting, set a remote control that has already been paired to student mode. Set correctly. Then I will turn on the other remote control again. Set to coach mode. After setting up, let's first operate the student machine, observe the reactions of servo channel C and R. At this point, we are switching to a trainer plane. Now let's take a look at the reaction of the trainer plane. You can see that we can use the trainer plane directly control the servo of the first and second channels of a student machine. Note that the coach function can only control 2/1 channel of a student machine. Other channels cannot be controlled. Next, let's talk about the cruise control function. Cruise control refers to controlling the speed of a second channel and throttle channel. Can allow the remote control to maintain the previous throttle speed even without operation. Now let's take a look at how to set the cruise control function. First, complete the code alignment between the remote control and receiver. Then enter the function interface and find the electrical adjustment settings. The third one is our throttle cruise control. Click to open. After turning it on, we can see a white cruise control icon appearing on the remote control panel, representing that the cruise control function has been activated. At this point, just hold down the throttle channel and maintain a fixed value for 10 seconds. Hearing the remote control make a noise, you can see that the white icon turns green. Representative is cruising at a constant speed. First, let's go to a settings panel. Activate the cruise control function on the remote control. Then keep the throttle trigger fixed for 10 seconds. Enter cruise control function. After completing the speed control, we release the throttle trigger. You can see that the servo maintains our previous angle. We will turn off the cruise control function of a remote control at this time. The servo automatically returns to the neutral position. In cruise control, the cruise control value can be increased. Pull the throttle trigger back to increase the constant speed value. Every pull will emit a prompt sound. Pushing the throttle trigger forward indicates exiting cruise control.